Hey guys, Glenn Murray. Welcome to my AI 5K commission system review bonus walkthrough demo, the whole 9 yards. Okay, what is AI 5K commission system? It's an automated artificial intelligence website creator. Basically, that's it. Makes a really cool affiliate websites. Okay, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to do this quickly. I actually did this video already, and for some reason, the sound didn't record, so I'm doing it again. All right, so first off, the bonuses. We're going to scroll down. I put some cool bonuses together for you. I'm going to give you my how to make 10K a month as a full course, and guess what, guys? You can use this course as your own. Very cool. So you can go through, learn everything, and then use it as your own course. Totally free. You're going to get my how to do affiliate marketing. Like, okay, if you have zero money right now, like, well, not zero, probably going to need about $30 a month. But you can do how to do affiliate marketing when you're flat broke. Again, it's a course that's going to teach you exactly how to do it, bare bones to get started, so you can just get started with affiliate marketing. The next one is Chatbot Revolution. Because we're talking about AI, it's important to learn about chatbots. Check out my Brain Box review right here. Learn even more about what you can do with AI. And then high profit blog secrets. This is about, because we're creating content, you need to know what to do. But here's the thing. You're not going to have to create the content because we're going to make AI create all the content. We just have to come up with a simple idea. And you can get ideas anywhere, guys. And then Glean has put together an amazing slew of bonuses. I'm going to make sure you get all of those. So let's go over to the sales page here. Go to the top. AI, this done for you chat GPT powered system works on all devices. It's push button AI system lets you clone our done for you copy and paste commission system that makes $5,000 a month. Glean is the #2 top seller on Warrior Plus platform. It's an affiliate platform. He knows what he's talking about. You want to get it. There's a bonus too. First 25 buyers get the tap into the billion extra buyers for free traffic. This is gonna be $17, guys, and I'll show you a trick to get it for cheaper. We're going to reload this page. So when you're on the page like this, right, and it says it's 17 bucks, watch, we're going to scroll off the page. Wait, claim $3. So you're going to get it for just $14. All right. So you definitely can pick it up for $14, guys. What does this system do? This is the back office. Very simple to use. There's a dashboard. There's a fast start video series. Just go through the video series. It's going to show you exactly what to do, guys. You basically, it's going to give you a little bit of an overall picture, and then it's going to go through step by step what you need to do, how to do it, how to use AI, and I'm going to show you some really cool AI examples I was just playing with. So the members area is very simple. Your funnel, you just create funnels. Here's one I created about crypto, right? So it's just got a write-up about crypto. Get started for free, crypto, and then I could put in whatever I'm going to do the lesson, and I can get them to opt into my oops, let's log in. I can get them to opt into my autoresponder on that. I just have to connect my autoresponder there. So you could make these all day long, guys. They take about 3 minutes to make. Now, how do I get this content? Because this content's very good. Cryptocurrencies have emerged as a new asset class with significant potential for growth and diversification. Well written, guys. It was all done by AI. So let me show you a really cool thing I did for my email list. If you're on my email list, you probably got this. So I created a Deadpool character in AI, and I said, "Hey, Deadpool, write a high value report." And by the way, I'm going to give shouts out to Michael Cheney because he showed me how to do this. Hey, Deadpool, write a high value report which reveals the 7 best free traffic methods online. Write 7 headlines in a funny way and use real world traffic metaphors to convey the 7 best methods. So he wrote this. Well. Looky here. It's your friendly neighborhood Deadpool. So he wrote this in character, and it's just a little sort of written thing, and I sent it out to my email list. It's great. It's great content. Hit your ride on social media. Hop on the social media bandwagon and ride the puppy all the way to Traffic Town. Post frequently, engage with your audience, and don't be afraid to get a little crazy. It's all about making an impression, baby. Great, great little thing. Take the scenic route with blogging. Put on your writer's cap and start blogging your heart out. Remember, we can use AI. By providing high quality content, you'll attract new readers and keep them coming back for more. It's like taking the scenic route. You might not get there fast, but the journey is totally worth it. Turn up the volume with YouTube. Lights, camera, action. I'm doing it right now. Create entertaining videos that showcase your brand and personality. Share them on YouTube and other video platforms and watch your traffic soar. So, guys, this is what AI has written for me. I actually did one. I did Darth Vader slinging slinging. I did it on my other laptop. I did Darth Vader slinging um, uh, weight loss, and it was so funny. Hey, this is the Dark Lord, Dark this Lord. Anyways, you can do whatever you want there. Let me get back on here. So what do I think about AI commission system? It's another great tool like Linkowski. These are great tools for a couple of bucks. You pick them up, you can use them, use the training, create multiple pages, and just get those pages. Make a page a day, and throw it out on Twitter, right? Just every day, go in there, make a page, find an affiliate link, make a page, put it out on Twitter, and just keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it. Once these pages start accumulating online, people are going to start finding them. People that are searching for stuff are going to find them. They're going to find your page. They're going to find your link. You're going to go through and you're going to make a commission. Actually, I'm going to show you one more thing. Yeah, this right here. Come over here. This is really important, guys. Okay, so this is the blueprint of affiliate marketing, guys. This is the absolute blueprint. You get traffic however you want to get traffic. If you want to, like I just said, post on social media, making YouTube videos, whatever it is, you want to drive traffic to an opt-in page. Guess what, guys? The first link that you're going to click down there is going to take you to an opt-in page, because I don't want bots clicking my links and going through and skewing my conversion records on the ads. It's also going to take you to my bonus page so you can see the benefits of seeing my bonuses before you make an idea to purchase AI 5K. So you're going to go to an opt-in page. You can always unsubscribe, but go through it. I recommend, if you're going to do affiliate marketing, sign up for people's lists, guys. Make sure you're getting on the list and read their emails, see what they're writing. So the lead, what happens to that lead? So they opt in. They're added to my list. They're sent an email, but they're also sent to the content page or the sales page. I can make a commission. Or they're sent to another sales page where I can make a recurring commission, even better. Guys, if you don't have my money machine download, I'll put a link to my money machine in the description below. It gives you a tool to earn recurring commissions, because this is the goal, guys. So sign up for the email series. So I'm going to keep emailing them the sales page. And guess what? When I'm tired of emailing them that sales page, I'm going to mail them another affiliate offer, and another affiliate offer, and another affiliate offer. This, guys, take a screenshot. This is the blueprint for email marketing, for affiliate marketing. This is what it is. Okay, guys. So this is the cool thing about it. All right. This also, I just noticed this has AI courses. I haven't even checked out the AI courses yet. So, how to make money with AI? This is so cool. So you can create lessons, AI lessons, and then give away the lessons, or even sell the courses. Okay, so that is basically. Let me come back here. So that's AI 5K commission system. Highly recommend it. Click the link below. Go grab it. Grab my money machine down there. I'll also put a link to my number one recommended business. If this isn't for you and you're just like getting started, you would just want to learn. Go click the link for my recommended business. That has everything you need to learn how to do affiliate marketing, and take it seriously, guys. You can make unlimited income with affiliate marketing, but you got to just take it seriously. It's not like you just a lottery. You have to do some work. But now we've got all these tools that do all the work for us. We just have to prompt the tools, and it does the work for us. All right, guys, that's it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I will see you on the next one. I think that's everything. Check out some of the reviews here. Brainbox, very cool. You can make your own chat GPT. That's cool. All right, make your own, give it away, sell it to people. Anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Oh, rock. Anyway, I don't know. Make sure that you hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.